Our Paintless Dent Repair, or PDR, can remove small dents and dings from painted sheet metal surfaces with no harm to your vehicle's factory finish. In this innovative repair process, our highly skilled, certified PDR service technicians use specialized hand tools to manipulate and flex the dented metal from behind the panel. Guaranteed craftsmanship restores the metallic surface to its original form. Our PDR process does not require body fillers, sanding, or painting, and usually leaves no evidence that a dent ever existed. Your vehicle retains its appearance and your wallet retains your money. The Paintless Dent Repair Plan covers minor dents and dings up to 4 inches in diameter that can be fully repaired using PDR methods. Our non-invasive process does not compromise your vehicle's factory finish. With our Paintless Dent Repair, you receive the following coverage benefits: unlimited usage during the service contract term, no deductible or out-of-pocket expenses required, just sign and drive, lifetime repair warranty, which guarantees 100% customer satisfaction on performed repairs, convenient and quicker than traditional body shop repair methods, hassle-free claims process with nationwide coverage, protects your vehicle's resale value, may reduce lease turn-in penalties. Your plan is transferable, one time only, to a private party purchaser if you sell the vehicle while plan is still in force, which may add to resale value. Our Paintless Dent Repair preserves your vehicle's beauty and its resale value. Make sure to ask your dealer representative about a Paintless Dent Repair protection plan today.